Do you want to create unlimited AI-generated images without any subscription and transform them into jaw-dropping videos for free? Let's get started. Meet Flux Jupiter, a game-changing AI tool you can run right from your mobile or computer. If you don't have a GPU, no problem. Flux Jupiter works on Google Colab and Kaggle, so all you need is an internet connection. I will use Jupiter on Flux Dev, so let's click this link, and this Colab notebook will open. I will leave the link in the description. It might seem a bit daunting at first, but stick with me, it's way simpler than it looks. Hit the Connect button at the top right. This connects your notebook to the GPU. Click the Play button on the left to run the code, and a warning will pop up. Click Run anyway, and it will begin the process. It will take a little while to complete. And once it's done, you will see a reassuring green checkmark. Scroll down to the next cell, and this is where you have to enter your prompt. I will type, "A beautiful young woman looking at the camera." Then you may adjust the height and width of the image as you like. And you are done. It's that easy. Now hit the Play button, and Flux Jupiter will start generating your image. It might take a moment, but guess what? It's 100% free, no strings attached. And here's the result. Just look at this. The details are stunning. The eyes, the hair, the face. Everything is picture perfect. To download it, click the file icon on the left panel. Find your generated image, click the three dots next to it, and hit download. Now, let's try something different, an animation style image. I will scroll up and simply add Pixar style to the end of the prompt, then hit play. And here is the result. Notice how effortlessly you can switch image styles. Just add the style name, and you can create Disney-inspired art, Pixar-like visuals, or even anime masterpieces. The possibilities are endless. You can then turn these images into a video or a short film with just a few extra steps. Let me show you how to create ultra-realistic images that look like they were taken with a real camera, not AI-generated. All you need to do is use a prompt like selfie.jpg and hit play. And here's the result. Just look at this. Doesn't it look like an actual mirror selfie taken on a phone? It's so natural and lifelike, you'd never guess it was AI-generated. But that's not all. You can try different methods to create ultra-realistic images. For example, I will use this prompt, img_1721.cr2, then hit play. And here's the output. It's absolutely incredible. The realism in the image is stunning. I will also show you how to transform these images into breathtaking videos, so stick around. I have also put together a complete tutorial on using Flux to create ultra-realistic images. Be sure to check it out. Did you know Flux can perfectly add text to an image? This is one of the most talked about features of the model, and for good reason. Here's how it works. Simply enter a prompt like, "A young woman holding a sign that says subscribe to Prompt Revolution," and hit play. Here's the result. Just look at this. The text is crystal clear, with no distortion, and the image is absolutely stunning. By the way, if you have made it this far into the video, why not subscribe to the channel? I've got more exciting tutorials like this lined up, and I'd love to have you on board. Now, let's try something more complex. This time, I'm using a detailed prompt generated by ChatGPT. And here's the result. Stunning, right? With Flux, you can easily create futuristic sci-fi images like this. Take a look at some other images I have generated with Flux. They are incredibly refined. If you haven't tried this tool yet, you're missing out. But it doesn't stop there. I took one of these images and turned it into a breathtaking video. Want to know how? Click the link in the description to open Kling AI, one of the best AI video generators available right now. Here's how to move forward. Click AI Video and select the Image to Video tab. Next, upload your image. Now, add a prompt. You may also leave it blank and let Kling AI handle the movement. I will add people walking, drone flying, though you can be more descriptive. Then hit Generate, and here's the result. Just look at the video. It looks like a scene straight out of a movie. You can also animate characters. Upload your character, write a prompt, and hit Generate. Here's the output. The movement is smooth, with no distortions, weird morphing, or facial deformities. Remember, a great video starts with a great input image, and Flux sets you up for success.